county. We're in the county. There were freaking cops. They told us, fireworks are illegal in the county, and we're in the county. These two guys are gonna get arrested because the cops recognize them. Whoever. If you never see me again, my YouTube channel got taken down because, probably cops. Cause there's a drone going around.
Are you watching us?
Bro, Mark, what are you doing? They said it's illegal. Why do you keep doing it? Shit.
Don't listen to him.
Oh. Oh, frick.
Guys,
This is not good, chat. We just saw cops.
the fire.
Oh! Yo, guys, we're cooked. Look, they're doing it too. But they might not even be in Woodbridge. Not us, the adults. Wait, that's bad. We're cooked. We're cooked.
Oh my god! How much are you gonna go?
Do you want more? I got more. Right here. I got more here. That's it. Bro, dang. So many of these were used.
Well, this is a new one.
That's a mortar.
You put the gunpowder in here.
I'm gonna keep one of these. Yo, throw this at the cops for real when they come here. Just kidding, guys. Don't throw stuff at cops. Be nice to them. Be respectful. And to your elders. Oh, frick. Oh, oh, oh.
That one was bright.
Oh. Oh. Oh.
Beautiful.
That was sick.
That was actually beautiful.
Yes, sir.
W in the chat for Mark. Type W in the chat for Mark.
Why are we so close to the road where you can see us? Yo, this canopy's gonna catch on fire. I don't know what to call it though. Canopy. That's what it's called, I think.
Sorry.
Do that. 40 pack. Oh, here.
Let's just get it.
Damn.
Oh, just
It's smoking. Shit. We're being gunned down. Oh, look. No. Bro, your phone. Yo. Oh, shit. Stay close to the garage. Oh, frick. Hey, if the cops come here, let me jump in with them.
No.
Let me jump in there.
Know you guys.
No, I'm gonna jump in there.
No. You're gonna go get a
I'm gonna be the baby. Hey, want a mortar? Hey, Mark! I got another mortar. This is the mortar we're using. We've been using it. Yo, that could be a cool transition, guys. Oh my gosh. How have the cops not come back?
Hey,
Dang, this video was only 5 minutes long. I'm gonna keep making it longer. Oh. Let me pop one in. Let me pop one in.
Yeah, that's fine. You can sleep here.
I'm sleeping here.
Are you out of fire? No.
We need more gas. Jared, light them faster. Don't use so much gas. Fuck. Oh, frick. Yeah, we're in the neighbor's yard. Just with us. Guys, cops. No, those aren't cops.
Police is coming.
No, they're not cops. They're not cops. I don't think they're cops. Can't recoup. Probably. Okay, I can't let you guys see this. We're gonna get molested. Don't search up what that means. We're just gonna get banned. We're gonna get banned from the game IRL. Oh! My ears can't handle this. Oh! Yo, I'm gonna watch this so much later. Yo, it's a cop. Yo, we literally got told it's illegal and we can go to jail. We're still doing this, bro.
Oh, that one was big.
No, ours is bigger.
No?
That's so cool. Oh,
Nah, that one might be bigger.
I'm zooming out as much as I can. There's ugly bear.
I'm only gonna zoom out halfway. Because the quality drops if you zoom out only.
Yeah.
Actually, no, it focuses in.
Jared, why are you walking, boy? Oh! My ears, dude. Yo, one of them fell over. Hey, mortar!
All right, ready? Oh, we're gonna get the big one.
A big one, bet! Oh, they're getting, guys, they're getting another,
Let's go!
40 alert, 40 pack! I recorded one of these earlier, it was awesome! I did not finish recording it, chat.
Hey, Liam, listen.
After this, we should run inside.
Yeah, we should probably.
Nah, I'm just stay out here.
I don't know. I kind of like
I kind of like being under pressure. It's really cool being under pressure.
Chat. You think we'll die? You think we're gonna get arrested by the cops and clap?
There's a guy behind us spectating.
Oh, there it is.
I think we should have backed up for this one. It gets bigger, guys. Just wait. Hell no! 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 Ow! Fuck! Ouch! Ah! Stop it hitting me! Stop it hitting me! Yo! MJ! Stuff would have hit my eye if I didn't have my hand here. Bro, I'm still getting stuff on me. Phone, protect me. Oh, fuck! Ah! Ah! Oh my gosh, guys. You can see all the leftovers.
Gas. Oh, it's hitting the telephone wire.
Oh, fuck.
Hey, there's some.
Look at all this, bro.
No.
And it's all the way over there. I can't breathe in this shit. We need gas masks.
So,
Yeah. I don't think you guys knew that yet, but I got asthma. And I get panic attacks
go
for no reason.
awesome.
My channel name is Try for Games. It's a stupid channel name. Capital T, F, and G. And go sub to his channel also. What is your channel name?
I don't know what it is.
Oh,
Subscribe to Doorknob.
Doorknob? Okay. my gosh. Wait, there's more?
That was so cool. That's fun, huh?
Is that it?
Yeah.
Yo,
Yeah,
look at
Mama.
all this.
Down below. Smash that subscribe button, chat.
Yo, look at all this, bro. Everywhere. And it goes all the way over there. And there.
Shameless plug right there. Subscribe to Doorknob 20.
And to try for games. Capital T, F, and G.
Go subscribe to it now.
Really, bro?
He's really cool.
Look at all this shit, bro. I'm collecting this. Yo, this has to be not for kids.
So fun, bro.
Oh. Yo.
It's a bullet.
That was hella worth it, huh? Was
This
that
is the
super
stuff with the
awesome, Bubba?
gunpowder in it or something.
Yeah.
Look what I
Oh,
found.
that was dope, huh?
Hey, this is
What's that?
Uncle
Huh?
Lead.
You see,
Is it probably lead or something?
Does her house no dope?
Yo, no way. Look, we have to look for the limited edition exploded shiny fireworks. Okay, we're making a new thing. Limited edition, blown up shiny fireworks. Look, I got two. I got two shiny. Oh yeah, it has to be like glaring off. Like you see how it's like rainbow, like a Pokemon card that's rare.
yeah, mine is silver.
I found another.
Mine has a silver.
Imagine that's.
Oh, I got
No
it.
way.
It's the ultra.
Yo. Bro, this is actually kind of common. Small ones are rare. Oh shoot. Oh, that's a. Yo, guys. That's the drone.
No, it's the airplane.
Oh wait, no, it's not the drone. Yo, shit. They're coming.
That part is. We're about to get
Dude, hey Mia, my buddy, he had one like as tall as you, a box that big. Like,
Hey, no,
literally.
bro.
No,
One
guess
as tall as me.
No, like literally, guess what? It was a Squid Games one. That shit went off
I'm like 5
for
foot
20
2.
minutes.
I'm 5'2" or something. Ooh. I want to collect these, I'm not gonna lie. Oh. Oh frick, my camera's blurry.
Baby, you're lucky.
This is our first video on the channel, so.
Yo, not gonna lie. Not gonna lie though.
Wow.
I'm losing my voice. Not gonna lie though, I want to see the cops again, or the firefighters, whatever. I want to see the pigs, the popo.
Chat, like and subscribe because my goal is to get 50 subscribers. Go, I'm gonna need you guys to subscribe to Doorknob. Doorknob was my old account. I got a bunch of videos from there, but they're still really cool. So check that out.
I'm trying to get to 50 subscribers. 50 subscribers or more so I can start live streaming games, because obviously that's my channel name. And obviously I'm not only doing channel names, games and whatever. I'm also doing IRL stuff, but I might make a slime video. And I know I say that I might make a slime video, but I'm never gonna do it. Literally.
That's so cool.
I know. Yo, honestly, we don't have to clean none of this up, but I want to see the fire station come out. I think all of them are deployed, because look. They haven't been coming. Oh! Oh! I see the drone! Oh, what? Nobody told us. Guys, let's get close. Okay, it's freaking out. Yo, I'm actually really close to this shit. Oh, shit! Ow! The sudden burst! I got burned! Bro! Oh! Bro! Oh! Bro, you hear that scream? I thought it was going up. Bro, the sudden burst got me, bro.
I know.
DJ.
Calvin, where's the rest of them?
I give it to JR. So he's the one who's gonna get arrested.
We should go like 7 years together.
Bro, this video's about to be 20 minutes long. It's 16 right now.
It is good if we get monetized.
Yeah, bro, we're not getting monetized for 2 years unless y'all smash that like button and subscribe. Not forcing y'all to, but if you want to, greatly appreciated. And comment down like an intro I could do or like an outro. Because I need name ideas and whatever. And comment down below what games I should play also. I'm probably going to title this Cops Threaten to Arrest Us. I'm going to title this Cops and Firefighters Threaten to Arrest Us. I mean, they did though.
I will cut some of this. I'll actually edit it.
I mean, there's nothing wrong with it. The only thing I would cut out is the bad words I said, but I'm not gonna make it for kids, so there's no point. JR, hurry up with them fireworks! Hold on, bro. Freaking, this guy's so slow. What's taking so long? Oh, he's putting them together. Bro, it's 6 of them. Last time, my freaking eardrums ruptured. It felt like they were about to rupture, bro. I'm getting far. This is not my scooter. I'm just using it. Hold on, guys. Oh, dang, this is fast. All right. Bye-bye. I don't know if you guys can see, but, frick, already? I don't know if y'all can hear that. It's gonna be hella loud. Okay, I'm heading back, bro. Oh, fuck. What happened?
It exploded.
What?
The mark got his hand.
Oh, hell no. Bro, Mark burned his hand.
No, I'm kidding, bro. That's clickbait.
Oh, frick. Okay. What happened, though?
It just blew up.
Bro,
Not blew up, but like, did its thing.
it didn't do it, or it did it too fast?
I don't know.
I think only one of them lit up. Yeah, that's cooked. What a waste. Y'all should have did it 3x3. Honestly. Oh, where did that come from? Yeah, I'm filming right there. Ah, CJ, shit. Don't run over me, bro. Is there no more? JR, no more? No more? Alright. Well, guys, make sure to subscribe and smash that like button. And also subscribe to Doorknob 20. And I guess I'll see you guys next time. See ya.